Okay, so you'll see that the blog is active now, and we have one post here, and there's a couple different ways you can create the posts, and usually what I'll do is usually use two windows. Again, it's easier to do it this way, but I'm going to go to the dashboard, and instead of pages, we're actually creating blog posts. So I'm going to go to all posts. And if we look on the blog, you'll see there's only one post here. And if you look in the post, you'll see there's only one post. So this post is set up with everything you need. Just like we do for the events, we're just going to clone this. And as we're working, it's in draft mode, so it's not going to show up until we publish it. Okay, so we're just going to use this one, this main one, that first one we did as a template. So we have this one. So we're going to go in and edit this one. And we're going to take a look at a couple things here to make sure that we set it up correctly. Okay, so let's take a look at the post you're going to have now. One of the things I would do is take this image out because we're just going to copy the text that we have here and then paste it in. But this is the title of the blog post, so I'm just going to copy that and paste it in here. Okay, and then also we want to change this. Okay, so I'm going to change this to retirement path. Usually want that to be kind of simple because that's actually the name of the post when it comes up in the browser. So short and sweet is best here. I'll click OK. All right, so we have the title, we have the blog post path or page name. All right, and then if we scroll down, you'll see we have an image here, and if we look, it's really not this image. If I go to the post, it's going to be that image, and you can put it in there or you can take it out. It's totally up to you. This image is actually this image, the featured image. So usually you want them both to be the same, or you can just delete this one. Okay. So I have the text. Let's get the text first. So go to the text, and I don't need this in there because it automatically puts that in there because we have it as the title, so I don't need that, but I do need this, so I'm just going to copy that. I'm not going to change the image yet, but I'm going to change the text. Don't mess with any of the other boxes because they're there for spacing and other functionality. Okay, and you'll see this is the old post from that first one. I'm just going to delete that image, and then I'm going to paste this text in. Okay, and you'll see that some of the formatting will come over, and you can go in. If you need to click this box, you can get more tools. And again, this is just like Word. You want to stay within, these heading 2 and 3 will make them larger. But if you want, just stay in paragraph, and you can bold and italic, and you can also change colors here. But I'm just going to leave it like that. You can get in and experiment with that. You can also insert an image, but you have to upload the media first. I'll show you how to do that. But let's say we wanted to insert an image here. I would add media and upload the file. So let's upload that image that you've sent to me, and we'll go to the website, and it's going to be this one right here. So we're going to click open, and it should post it into our media area. Might take it a minute depending on the size of it and the speed of the internet. It's taking it a minute. Taking a long time actually. Okay, there it is. And you can leave it at full size, that's fine, because you can scale it once it's inside the post. So basically what you're doing here is you're inserting an image into the post. Okay. Now you may not want to do that, but you can do that, and then you can align it left, right, however you want to align it, or you can have the text run beneath it and around it. Okay, you can have it run over this side. You can, okay. So if you want to put an image inside the post, you can do that, but we're not really doing that here. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. So this is the text part, and then here's the image part. I'm just going to change this. I'm going to take that one out, and we've already uploaded this one. So it's in our media library. So I'm going to insert it at full size because I've sized this to a specific size, and you can insert just about any size image in there and it should fill it up. And then this image is going to show up on the main blog post, so I'll show you that here in a minute. So I'm going to remove that one and set another image in here, which is the same one. Okay, and just want to check. So here's our image on the post. Here's our text on the post, and we have some sharing boxes so you can share on other social media. And then here's our featured image, and I'll show you what those do here in just a second. But so you just want to make sure you change the title, the path, the image, the text. Now you can delete this image if you want by hitting that trash can, and then nothing will show up at the top up there. And then we have the featured image. I'm going to hit publish. Okay, and once I do that, I'll take a look. I can just go to view post and see what it's going to look like. And that's what it looks like. Here's that image that we inserted into that one little square at the top. There you go. Okay. And then if we go back to the blog, you'll see that now we have two posts. And the latest post will go first, and then they'll just start descending after that. So this is that. If we look back, this is that main image, and this is the secondary image. So if we go back to edit post real quick, just so I can show you. This is the featured image shown on the blog page, main blog page, and then this is the image that shows up in the post. So that's how you create a post. Pretty easy. Just use these as templates and just plug in your image and plug in your text and format it kind of like Word, and should be good to go.